When it comes to budget all-rounders laptops, I would always recommend the ASUS Vivobook series. They are not only affordable, but it also offers a pretty good build and updated hardware. My last ASUS Vivobook 16X OLED reviews garnered over 10,000 views and received a lot of positive feedback. Today, we are checking out a more wallet-friendly Vivobook without compromising a lot compared to the ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Way episode 81. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today, we'll be checking out the ASUS Vivobook 16X M1603. Let's begin with the price tag. The asking price of the ASUS Vivobook 16X is only Rm2,999 ringgit and offer the exact internal as the Vivobook 15X OLED, AMD Ryzen 5600H, Radeon Vega 7, 8GB of memory with additional RAM slot for expansions, and a 512GB NVMe SSD storage. The minimalist metals and plastic build design's body is weighed only 1.88 kg, is well constructed and meet the US military standard 810H certifications. Feature lay flat hinge design for easy sharings and collaborations. There's also a HD webcam with a physical shield cover. I/O port wise, there are two USB-A, a USB-C, a HDMI 1.4 port, and a 3.5mm audio combo port. The USB-C only support data and you can't connect to external monitor nor charge the laptop. The 50 working hours batteries is charged via a standard battery charging port at a maximum rate of 90 watt. The 16-inch laptop gets a full-size keyboard with numeric keys. It's a backlit chiclets with a 0.2mm dish keycaps and a 1.4mm key travels. The keyboard feedback is a little spongy and soft, which I'm not a big fan. There's also a fingerprint scanner on the trackpad top right corner. The surface on the keyboard, trackpad, and palm rest are coated with special antibacterial silver ions that deliver 99% antibacterial protections for up to 3 years. Performance is as great as the Vivobook 15X OLEDs. It handles most productivity tasks and also photos and video editing projects fairly well. Gaming wise, well, the RX Vega 7 is not designed for AAA games, but it's still capable to run less graphic intense games like Dota and CSGO at medium settings. The main difference between the two is only the display. The Vivobook 16X sports a 16-inch 16x10 WUXGA IPS panels compared to the 15.6-inch 16x9 2K OLEDs on the Vivobook 15X OLED. Not to say that the IPS is bad by any means. In fact, it offers a pretty wide viewing angles and a very good color reproduction. Matter of fact, the taller 16x10 display has more screen estate, which is more suitable for productivities like viewing documents and scrolling the web. So, if you're looking for a sub-Rm 3,000 ringgit laptop that does all-rounder, be it for work or school, the ASUS Vivobook 16X should be on the recommendations top list. You also get the Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 off the box. If you have an extra Rm300 to spend, the ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED is a no-brainer. You can check out my reviews up here. A written review with synthetic benchmark test result is made available on my website. The link will be in the description box. That's all from me on the ASUS Vivobook 16X. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.